In the merely more function FSM finite state machines, block diagram and state equations. Here this is the input vector. Here via going next state and present state directly one merely output, one combinational circuit. You can say H1. This is F. This is also combinational circuit. We already have seen. This is the next state. This is the present state. This is a register. Okay. And register clock signal going like this. Reset going. So from after function with the X and the feedback, that is PS, going to register. Then after register going to H1 combinational circuits or and H2. From here this feedback is there. This is the combination or circuit H1, that is merely outputs here Y1. This more outputs. The more outputs, this is also combination circuit H2, Y2 output vector, Y1 output vector. But here this is the merely outputs. This is the more outputs. NS, next state, function of X comma PS, okay, input vector, function of these combinational logic circuits, okay. In these combinational circuits, what is input vector, that is this one, okay, this one, and then what, PS, okay, PS, present state, okay. Then Y1, that is merely outputs, what, H1, this is this part, H1 directly here input vector, okay. So this is directly, okay, H1. In H1 what will function going on, which function going on, this input vector, then present state, okay, both are there. And then Y2 equal to here, Y2 equal to what, H2, there is more outputs here. This is more outputs. Here, more outputs. Here, H2 of PS. H2 of what? Only PS function, only. But here, input vector, present state. Input vector. But here, input vector missing. Only PS, present state. You can say this combination circuit also. This is sequence logic. This is combination logic. State diagrams. State bubble. State name, that is value. Here itself, in this state itself, here conditional outside, here transition, okay, this is transition, here out, okay. State bubble example. Here itself unconditional transition, conditional transition. Here NPN for itself, no, that's right. But here going conditional transition, that's right, UPN. Here y equal to output 0. State name S0. This is state name. Yes, this state S0. Okay. This S0 only state name. And then state value 0 0 state value. Y equal to 0 for this state. This state, this statement. This statement. Okay. We leave this state if UPN equal to 1. If UPN equal to 1, leave. We remain this state if UPN equal to 0. Okay. Here UPN is 0, remain the state. If this is 1, then leave this state. Memory devices. Memory devices, first one, data latch, D latch. Okay, D latch. Flip flops, edge triggered. D flip flop, T register. You can say D flip flop direct to flip flop. T register also same direct register. J key and T flip flop. Okay. And then D FF, positive edge triggered block diagram. First edge block diagram. In the 4 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what? D input. And then clock. Clock here, and then E here, reset here, one output. This is the output. Okay. D for data input, CLK for clock input, pre for preset input, preset input, RST for reset. Okay, reset input. Is positive edge here, that's why positive edge triggered black diagram. DF direct flip flop, truth table. In this D flip flop, truth table, equation rising clock, when rising clock, that time Qn plus 1 equal to Dn. Q n plus 1. Okay. Qn plus 1 equal to what? Tn available. Okay. Truth table. This is the equation raise a clock for rising clock. Truth table. Truth table D. Okay. What is clock? Okay. This one. Reset here. Reset. Qn plus 1 output here. Okay. Then here in this D, in this D flip-flop, this is D flip-flop. What D is available? What D is available? Clock also D. Reset also 1. Then reset 0. Then Qn plus 1 0. Okay. Here. Reset. Here. Reset. Okay. Clock D. D. Clock D 1 0 reset and then output 0. Here D flip-flop D, clock D, reset value 0 and then reset value 1, output 1. Here D input D clock 0 negative out and reset 1. Here reset 1 Qn output Qn only. And then here D clock 1 reset 1 Qn. Here in D flip-flop D data input x vector 0 clock rising edge reset value 1 reset value 1 Qn plus 1. Here the D in the D flip input vector 1. Okay. Rising edge reset and then Qn plus 1. Okay. Reset value, reset input active low, reset input active low, reset input active low, highest priority Q equal to Qn plus 1 equal to Dn. Equation raising. Okay, let's see. So here only matching. Just one only will count. This one only we have to take the care. Okay. This one. And then here you have some examples here.